Not yet. No. It takes a lot to get
the barrier.
We made it last.
What the fuck?
Pour some whiskey on that bird. This is for the homies. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is for the homies, though. He's out. He's out. Got scared. Got scared.
Sunshine after the rain.
Yes, you better sit.
Wait, do you see the ants crawling on it? To say goodbye to yesterday.
Dog, they're really burying it.
And I'll
Don't hate the process.
with you the memories.
Shot.
Be my sunshine after the rain. Hard to say.
Take me! Take me!
Can everybody please just take one and just drop it in, please?
Yes, yes. Anton, what are your thoughts?
I knew him when he was a little bird.
Yes, little bird.
Just for 2 feathers. And he would have liked to go out like this.
Yeah.
In laughter.
Hustling.
Hustling.
Who's gonna
So random people. Only in DC. Only in DC.
Shavis,
I got it.
Drop it. Drop it in the wind.
I want to speak on behalf of the bird.
Well, I knew him. We knew him.
They really did.
This is Flutters.
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 This is for
We
you.
miss you, Flutters.
We love you. Flutters lived a really nice life. Flutters was related to the Twitter bird.
Yes, Twitter
And
He tweeted all day. Yes, Twitter bird. His tweeting is
he
done.
basically lived a wonderful life, and I'm posting this on Twitter. Can we all say Anaxonamor, everybody?
What does that mean? What the
I don't know. I heard it on the Scorpion King. Anaxonamor, everybody on 3, 1, 2, 3.
He's trying to get some witchcraft. That's witchcraft. I'm not saying that.
Poor Mr. Flutters. Why?
That just means I love you after death.
Yeah, that's what it means. I came all the
Hey guys.
It's a funeral, y'all. I came all the way from Brooklyn to bury my dead homie, because this one is for my homie. It's for my dead
Maybe
homie.
it'll grow.
Right? And we gonna get your checks, because even though Twitter's still gonna be popping without the Twit bird. Right, Flutters?
Tweet.
Wait, you gotta
And this is DC, day 1.